Let's pick the kale. Yeah, it's a healthy vegetable. Yum, yummy. Wait, I'll pick more for you. Yeah, look at this. So many curly kale. Yeah, wow, get that bitter gut. It's so bitter. Yeah, it's bitter. You know that? Wait, I'll see one more. I'll pick it up that one too. There we go. Let's pick. Wait, I got it. I got it. Here we go, Vivi. Thank you for helping me. Do you want tomato? Okay, let's go pick some tomato for you. Did you pick it? Yeah. Tiny tomato. Yeah, you want more? Okay. Yeah, you did it. So red. It's gonna be yummy in your tummy.
Lots of seeds.
Seeds? Yeah, that's seeds.
Look at these.
I see it.
Yummy.
Tastes good, right? Okay, I'll pick more tomato for you then. Wow, it's a nice dance. It's a tomato dance. Oh, look at your tomato dance. So I pick more tomato, tiny tomato for you, okay? Did you see that? Tiny red tomatoes. So beautiful. Yep. I can reach it. Go, we go. That's kind of orangey. Here we go, baby. Come on. Yeah, it's good, right? I go pick some more. One here. Over there. Look at that red one. It's hiding under there. Naughty tomatoes. They're playing peekaboos.
Like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.